All right, welcome everybody, and welcome. In this video, I'm just going to quickly walk you through the installation process for R and RStudio. So R and RStudio, these are totally free, open source software where we're going to do a lot of data statistical analysis, some data cleaning up, data wrangling, some data visualization. So it's a super nice tool. This has been around for about 20 years, so there's a large community of people that are using this out in industry, working as data scientists. It gets used largely in academia. And again, one of the really nice features is that it's free, and there's a large community of people that are contributing really nice scripts that we're able to import. People are contributing really nice data sets that we'll be able to analyze. But we'll get into R and RStudio and R Markdown in subsequent videos. For now, I just want to focus on the installation process. So it's a two-step process. Step one is we want to first install R. And then step two is we're going to install software called RStudio, which is going to be our main tool for interacting with R, for writing R Markdown files, editing R Markdown files, and so on. So again, there's two steps, and it's important what order we do these in. So the very first thing that we need to do is install R before I install RStudio. And depending on your operating system, if you are a Mac user or PC user, or even a Linux user, there is a separate file that you're going to want to go to install. So I'm going to put these links in the description of this video so they're active. But these links right now, what we're looking at is actually an RStudio window. So this is what you'll be able to open and see once you've walked through this installation process. So the first thing that I'm doing, I'm a Mac user, is that I'm going to click on this link over here. And this is going to open up a web page where I can find the file to download and install R. So let me share that screen with you. So after I open up that link, here's a web page that should open up. And there's a lot going on here, but here's the link where I would want to click on to download this file. So this is currently called R 4.2.1. This is the most up-to-date version of R as of August 2022. And they update these versions, so the numbers here might change, but the link should be the same, and where you find the file should be the same. If you're working on Windows, then you would go to that second link, and the file that you'd want to click on is right up here, download R 4.2.1 for Windows. And again, as R gets updated, the version number of R might change, but the links for where you go to find these files are going to be the same. So after you download that file, you want to make sure that you open up that file and then install R onto your computer. And once you've finished that process, then the next thing you're going to do is go to step two, and that's going to be to install RStudio. And it's the same link for Mac, PC, Linux users over here. But again, you want to make sure that you don't just download R, but you've gone through the installation process as well. So once R is downloaded and installed, now we click on this link to go to the page where we can download RStudio. And let me open that up. And what is important to note here is that there are different versions of RStudio. So this is the page that will open up once you click on that second link. And you can see that there are some really expensive versions of this, and there are some free versions of this. And so if you want to work with RStudio on your desktop, in other words, without needing an internet connection, then you would want to use the RStudio desktop open source license. So this is the version I would recommend. So you come over here, this is going to have everything that we need. We click on the download button, and at this point, it should let us know the link for the right operating system. So it read that I have a Mac computer, so that's why I have a download button for Mac. If you're using PC or Windows, then you'll have a different file that you'll download. But you're going to click on this button to download the file, and then you're going to open that up and install RStudio. And once you've installed R and RStudio, then there are various ways that you could open up that document. on Mac, you can go into your applications and you'll see RStudio is going to now be an application downloaded onto your computer. And so in the next video, we'll talk about how you can create a new document in RStudio. But for now, I just want to make sure that everybody is able to download and install R and RStudio. These instructions are also up on Canvas. But if anybody has any issues and you prefer to just do this with somebody sitting over your shoulder, I'm happy to meet you anytime before class, after class, to walk through the installation process together. All right, that's about it. So in the next video, I'll just kind of walk through how you can get a little quick introduction to working with what are called R Markdown files.